head to Cars and Coffee or Gears and Grind. Getting warmed up. Making a video for Gears and Grind.
I can't see you. All I see is a sexy Asian man.
I'm sorry. Here you go.
Hello. Can't see shit.
You look like a lizard.
A lizard?
Yeah.
Am I a lot lizard?
Yeah. Oh, I already got up. You scared the fuck out of me.
Boy.
You scared the shit out of me just now. Now you have smoke coming out.
Huh?
Now you have smoke coming out.
It's okay.
Okay.
You're ready to delivery.
What's up, Mr. Famous?
What's up, bro?
What you up to?
What's up, bro? What's up? I'm good, man.
You can't park here. It's a red zone.
I'm a park here.
Sir, I pulled you over in a red zone. That's loud.
Stay away.
Redo the gold rat. What?
So I want to put a carrot in it. Share some thoughts. Oh, something.
That's the power of a 3-valve, man. 100 octane? That's crazy.
Yeah, so let's start.
That is so sexy.
This is the new electric charger. This is interesting. Look at that. So I think this is the one with the sound on it, which is also very interesting. It actually doesn't look that bad. It looks more like a Challenger, but it's a Charger, so. Look at these cars. I like it. I love Mustangs all day. I also love Challengers. They don't sound bad. You got a Magnum, a GTO, nice Porsche, Toyota. Ooh, a Ford Bronco. Look at that. Some nice cars. NSX. Got a Miata. Very nice cars. Very nice cars. Look at the tip coming out of that. Ooh. Do I see an SL? I think that's an SL 500. I could be wrong. Oh, look at this car. This is a very nice BMW. Oh, and this too? Let's see this Mercedes though. I love Mercedes all day. At least some older ones. Yeah, look look at this. This is completely stuck. Yep, SL500. These are ahead of their time, way back in 1996, with heated and cooled seats. I mean, full head and seat movement is beautiful. This is probably my favorite model Mercedes. If I could buy one, this would be it. Let's look at these Mustangs over here. I saw a Mustang with some big old tires. It might not be here already, but ooh, look at this one. Old 5.0 push rod. Look at that. That's pretty. Old school right there. If I could do that. Look at that. That's cute. Well, I don't want to say cute. That's cool. He's got his name and all the stuff he's got on the side of it. And then we got this Mustang. Very pretty Mustang. Shelby. Wrapped very pretty. An old Catfish Camaro. R35 GTR. I'm also very short, so everybody gets to see what I see through my eyes. Look, this car I've come across. My friend Brody's. This is his S550, I think a 2015 Gen 2 Coyote with a Roush supercharger on top. That's really pretty. Yeah, and then he's got really nice bronze wheels. I ran into him like twice. I don't know where he's at either. Kind of in the back, so a lot more cars over here. My car's over here, so see if anybody's over here. See you later, my friend. Drive safe. Oh, look at that turbo. This is a sexy car. Very pretty car inside. Blowing a lot of oil.
Oh, yes.
These line up. Nice cars. Look at these. Nice SC. Well, that's either a replica or it's a really nice beat up 99.
Doesn't have Cobra seats.
It might be a replica. It's got the hood though. It's got the front bumper.
I don't know.
Could be a V6, but it still looks pretty, doesn't it?
Pretty.
And then that 5.0 over there. Very nice. shut this one off. Yeah, stop beeping at me. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some Dutch Bros. Because everybody wants Dutch Bros. But he likes Starbucks apparently. And he's on the phone. And I guess TikTok is back. We were gone. And everyone's like, TikTok's back, TikTok's back. Cool.
Actually, it's that left one's a little higher, but
It looks good.
it looks a lot better.
It actually looks good in the daytime.
Yeah.
I don't see any flickering either. Okay, maybe I see a little bit of
It's a little
flickering.
bit higher, but I can adjust it. It'll take a second, but I can adjust it now.
I'm not gonna lie, man. Your car looks good on the Dolby Vision.
No,
That looks fucking sexy.
I didn't get the bezels. He just made them.
They don't have bezels?
No, you
like,
see?
oh, because it's just kind of
It's
floating, huh?
open. Yeah.
Oh.
I need to turn it down a little bit. It's weird because these are both at 5.5. So
Oh.
spacing, so I don't know.
I don't know. We're getting McDonald's.
I mean, no.
Food has been attained. On our way home now. Hopefully. That's good. See you later. All right. Well, this is a pretty slow Sunday. A lot of chores to do. Grayson's probably gonna head out soon. He's got his date tonight with his girlfriend, and this is probably maybe my last day off for a little bit, or maybe not. We will see how this week goes at work, but maybe just relax and enjoy the day. Also, on the way back from the car show here, my hood scoop came up. The damn thing in the bottom, if you can see, probably not, but well, there it is. Came off the plastic piece and kind of damaged it lifting it up. The 3M tape isn't really working. 3M tape never works for some odd reason, but even the 3M tape on the front of the scoop, there's 3M tape, and it's not even sticky no more. But that's okay. I'll just take it off and fix it again. I'm going to clean the fish tank for these guys. It needs a good cleaning. Yeah, get out all that gunk, especially in the corner. Womp womp. Alright. Fish tank is all clean. Hello there, buddy. How you doing? Very pretty. So it is now 8:25, and I started this probably at like 1:30. But I also did a little more. Got rid of the Christmas tree because it's already over. Christmas is over. So we got Bully's new bed with his other bed. Makes a couch because I catch him on the couch all the time. And then we put the catch tree over here. So she's got her little corner. Right, poo-poos? Thank you. Used to be over here, but now got the nice shelf cleared up. The other couch stays here with this couch and that couch. Just kind of moved everything slightly. And got my light from the garage. Put it in here, and let me turn it on. It really brightens it up. As well as I move this lamp over here, and it's controlled by the switch over there and over there. So, just to keep it a little cleaner. And tablecloth with candle, tissues, paper towels for when they eat, and then other stuff. My other fish tank is doing really good. it's just plants. I've got some snails in there. I've had the light on for a little bit now, and the water stays warm. But this one, because it's closer to the front door, it gets colder. So I added another heater. So now I have a heater on both sides. Changed the bubbler so it's more in the middle this way. And then we have this bubbler, which is the volcano, this way next to the filter. So it'll try to keep this clean so it, you know, there's some flow. And then if I turn off the lights, I would believe the volcano glows up red. So that's with all the lights off. It glows up nice and red. So then if I did a blue, turn this on, turned off my white light, and then just had the blue light. So that's for nighttime. And then just turn off the switch. That's how the fish tank looks at night. This one I have to touch. I really like this one. I might get another one just for the extra light in the back. Because usually I have this all over here. And it makes it look nice. So like that, it'll clean it up. In the daytime, you know, I can just flip it on because I try to get some sunlight going. I open this up, open it up in the morning before I go to work. It's time to close it up, it's bedtime. But yeah, no, that's very nice. And yes, it looks janky. I'm gonna cut it eventually. Probably get a new one, remake it, cover that side, and do some wire management. But I mean, it's pretty. You gotta admit, it's pretty. And it smells good in here with the candle. Turn it back on. Bingo. So I'll put them back on their little day cycle here. Drop it down. I think it was like that. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna end it here. Grayson went home. He's having a date night with his girl. I gotta work in the morning. Hope you guys have a great weekend, or had a great weekend. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to keep moving forward, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good night. I don't remember this meeting behind the quiet. Hey! You trapped me here!
You have been had. You've been had, buddy.
I
Just digging forward. Oh fuck! Oh, we need to get up fast.
We're gonna suffocate! We're gonna suffocate!
Stick forward.
Get us out of here!
I'm trying to.
Forward.